In this course, we'll create an assembly, the self-centering vise. It will consist of more than 60 components, including 2 subassemblies. This gives us an opportunity to try several different ways of adding components to the assembly, such as mirroring and creating arrays. We'll use pre-made components. You can find them in the File tab of the course. We'll define component positions using different matings. Also, we'll add a mechanical mating that will allow us to simulate the vice's operation. Then, we'll create an exploded view and learn how to edit it. We'll generate a drawing of the vice assembly, add several broken out sections, and a section view. We'll add a bill of materials to the vice drawing and create balloons using a special tool. If you're a beginner in Compa 3D, I recommend taking the Quick Start courses. These courses cover fundamental techniques that won't be explained in this course. Additionally, one of the subassemblies, the crank handle, is created in one of the Quick Start courses. But if you prefer not to take those courses, you'll find the pre-made crank handle among the files of this course.